Hi, welcome to the arconsis headquarters in Karlsruhe.
Please join us for our office tour.
So, when you enter our office, you will be welcomed by a very friendly welcome committee. Just kidding. At arconsis, we value a personal environment, so when you come and visit us, one of our employees will come and help you. What a better way to start than in our kitchen area. Here you will find everything you need to stay focused and energized throughout the day. If you look to the left, you will notice two things. Our bar-style table that we combined with a great view of the outside over Karlsruhe is a unique workspace and a perfect place to drink your coffee. The second thing is our stand. It was custom built for arconsis by a local carpenter and is a place for every kind of gathering, meeting or presentation. We have a video of it being built, so if you want to see it, check the link in the description. Here you can see two of our meeting areas. On the left hand is our aquarium, which is very often used for meetings. And on the right hand is our blue table, which is actually not used at all. This is our back office, where all the administrational magic happens. In general, our office is created as an open space. This creates a collaborative work atmosphere and promotes a productive exchange. Let's go check out the upper floor.
Hi, I'm Andreas and welcome to the second floor of the arconsis headquarters in Karlsruhe. The arconsis office is pretty open and spacious, so we have a lot of these places where you can sit together in your team and work together. But especially when you work together, sometimes you need to discuss a lot and you don't want to bother everyone else. So we also have these silent rooms where you can just close the door and be with your team. One great highlight of the arconsis office, and especially the second floor, is our YouTube and makers room. Here we have everything you need for YouTube streaming, YouTube videos, but also soldering station, 3D printer and so on, so that you can also do your hardware exercises. Here we have our meeting room, which is especially important when we have bigger meetings or workshops. So we also have a big screen where you can then show presentations and so on. And here we also have two silent boxes. As you can see, they are perfect for when you have video calls. So you can sit in there, a colleague can talk and you hear nothing outside here, so it's perfect so you don't disturb the other colleagues. Another highlight of the office is our kids room. It's perfect for parents, especially during school vacation times. They can bring their kids along. Sometimes people even coordinate and bring multiple kids. There's also a nice small bed, which is also sometimes used when you want to have a nap. And here we also have our marketing area, another sitting group with a great view to the motorway and the mountain, and is especially liked by our marketing team. Another highlight of the office are our windows. When you see all these big windows, you might think, what when the sun shines? So a great thing about them is you can tint them, and so you can shut out the sunlight, but you can still see outside, and you don't have these shutter walls that you see in some other offices. That's it from our office tour. We hope you've enjoyed. See you next time. Bye bye.